Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. NimbleRx offers a convenient and comprehensive online pharmacy service. They aim to simplify managing your medications, providing a seamless experience from prescription refills to delivery right to your door. NimbleRx collaborates with local pharmacies to ensure you receive personalized care while benefiting from the ease of digital technology. This approach combines the trusted relationship you have with your local pharmacist with the efficiency and accessibility of an online platform. They manage refills for a wide range of medications, including those for chronic conditions, and they offer various delivery options to suit your needs and schedule. Whether you need a one-time refill or ongoing medication management, NimbleRx strives to make the process as smooth and hassle-free as possible. Their platform is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to easily track your orders, manage refills, and communicate with your pharmacy. For added convenience, they also provide medication reminders to help you stay on track with your prescribed treatment plan. This comprehensive service not only saves you time and effort but also contributes to better medication adherence and overall health management. By partnering with local pharmacies, NimbleRx maintains a focus on community care while embracing technological advancements to improve the patient experience. They are dedicated to providing a reliable and secure platform for managing your prescriptions, giving you peace of mind and control over your health. So, whether you have a busy lifestyle or simply prefer the convenience of online services, NimbleRx provides a valuable solution for all your prescription needs. They are constantly working to expand their services and improve their platform to best serve their customers and the wider community. Explore their website to learn more about how NimbleRx can simplify your medication management and contribute to a healthier you. They encourage patients to be proactive about their health and welcome inquiries about their services and how they can benefit you.